Hi, and welcome to the informational video series on the rules for certified family. This is video number 8, and we will cover food and food service areas, transportation and field trips, swimming and water activities, and animals. My name is Ashley Jenkinson. I work for the Child Care Licensing Division as a Senior Licensing Specialist in the Portland East Unit. The Child Care Licensing Division hopes that you find these videos informative and supportive in learning about the new Certified Family Rule Set. During each video in the series, we will explain some of the key features and highlights of the Certified Family Rules. Another new aspect is that the rules have been organized differently to help make information easier to find. While we are highlighting many key features, changes, and new rules throughout this video series, the entire rule set will not be reviewed. Please refer to the Certified Family Rulebook for the full list of requirements and rules. Okay, let's get started. Let's now review the updated rules around food safety, the beverages that can be served, and the new choking hazard guidelines. Children are not allowed in the kitchen or food preparation areas while food is being prepared unless you are present to ensure the children's safety. You must also protect children from hazards such as hot foods, sharp utensils, or anything that could pose a risk. There's a new provision allowing parents to opt out of milk service. However, this cannot be a program-wide policy. It must be done at the parent's request. If a parent does not want milk served, the child care program must accommodate their request, ensuring alternatives are provided. You are now required to serve only the following beverages: water, milk or nutritionally equivalent milk substitute, and 100% fruit or vegetable juice. These options ensure that children receive nutritious beverages that support their health and well-being. There is now a new list of foods that are choking hazards that cannot be served to children. Children under the age of 3 cannot be served things like hot dog slices, raw carrots, whole grapes, hard candy, or other food that could be obstructive. Children over 3 can be served those items if they are cut in a way to minimize choking hazards. By following these updated guidelines, you can ensure that your child care setting remains safe, health conscious, and accommodating to parents' requests while also minimizing risks like choking. Next, we'll review the updated rules regarding the field trips and transportation safety. When taking children on a field trip, you must frequently check a written list of children on the field trip, ensuring that all children are accounted for. This check should occur before boarding and exiting the vehicle and any time the group changes locations on the field trip site. This helps to ensure no child is left behind and the group is always properly supervised. When there are 6 or more children on a field trip, each child must wear an easily identifiable item such as a label, shirt, or wristband displaying your name and telephone number so the child can be identified if needed. Additionally, you must be easily identifiable as well to ensure others know who is supervising the child care children. We will continue with more updates around rules regarding field trips and transportation safety. There are new transportation safety practices that must be followed, including specific information and items that must be maintained both at the program and in the vehicle. This helps ensure that transportation is safe and well documented. These include an operable phone, proof of vehicle insurance, emergency medical information for each child on the field trip. For children with chronic medical conditions, you must have their emergency care treatment plan, supplies, and medication, and a first aid kit. A parent may be allowed to transport children other than their own without a caregiver present in the vehicle, but only if the parent meets certain Assistant 2 qualifications and transportation requirements as outlined in these rules. The parent must also be enrolled in the Central Background Registry. These updates ensure that children are safe and accounted for during field trips and that transportation is well organized and properly communicated to both staff and parents. Now let's go over the updated rules regarding water activities and swimming safety. For children engaging in activities in natural bodies of water, such as shallow surf, lakes, rivers, and streams, the activity is now limited to wading only. Swimming is not permitted in these environments. Additionally, children under the age of 36 months are prohibited from wading or swimming in natural bodies of water to ensure their safety in potentially hazardous environments. There are new requirements for pools used in childcare settings. These updated guidelines are designed to enhance safety and ensure that any pool used for childcare meets specific criteria to minimize risks to children. The caregiver-to-child ratios for swimming have been updated to ensure appropriate supervision during swimming activities. These ratios are designed to provide adequate supervision to ensure the safety of all children involved in swimming. By following these updated rules, you can ensure that children are safe during water activities, whether in natural bodies of water or in pools. Now let's address a new rule regarding animal contact. You must ensure that any animal accessible to childcare children is healthy with no signs of disease, friendly and non-aggressive towards children, free of fleas, ticks, and worms, fully immunized, including rabies vaccinations for dogs, with proof of vaccination on file, and kept in a cage or a tank, except for cats and dogs. These updates promote a safe, clean, and responsible environment for both children and animals. Thank you for watching this video and our informational video series. This concludes our video series on Certified Family Childcare Rule Revision. If you have any questions, please contact your licensing specialist. For more information, visit our website at www.oregon.gov/DELC.